Right, so unfortunately, this is going to be the second video. Unfortunately, we do not have I can't backtest it. I was like I was going to backtest today. So I've just done a trade recap of yesterday. And I'm going to have a look at today. So this was the daily opening gap. I'm just going to take this through step by step. So this was the daily opening gap. Let's run it from there to there, drag it across. Same for this one. Yeah, here, bosh, here. Set up our market open, which will be half four, sorry, half two. I'm just going to pop a snooze real quick. There we are. Now we're going to mark out our hourly draws. Which would be that one, that one. And then for sell side, we're looking at that one, we're looking at that one. And let's look at 15-minute draws because there doesn't seem to be a lot of hourly. So where were we at market open? We were here, so anything below here really. So yeah, we've got this daily opening gap. We have this low here on Nasdaq. We'll do that orange, and then we'll do this one orange. I know they're not like the same low, but you know it's. I mean, I'll just do it. And then looking at ranges, on the 5-minute, we'll probably go. I would have drawn out this one. On the pocket. Nope, sorry, wrong one. And so what's this range? That's. Oh, they're not. They're not really the same range, are they? Huh. I'll draw it out anyway. Oh. I'm sure. See, I could draw like other ranges as well. Like, I mean, to be fair, we didn't even come up for air at any point. I mean, this, but so yeah. Is there a high time frame like golden pocket that can be drawn out? No. Maybe on this one. This looks promising. Yeah. High time frame golden pocket on here on NAS. Which, to be fair, these confluences are meant to be used on NAS. So yeah, so we came up and we tapped into this, which I think this was news. I don't know what news we had today actually. Let's check. Refresh. What are we on Thursday? Unemployment claims. We had PPI, unemployment cost index. So it was pretty big news day. Right, so market opens. We shit the bed. Nas takes out. Well, they both take out this 15-minute draw. Or is it hourly draw? Sorry, they both take out this hourly draw. Nas takes out this liquidity at this candle, which would be this one. So at that point, we're looking for a retrace. We do get a pretty severe retrace, which would be this one. From there to there. Obviously, 3-minute wise, that's a hefty retrace. You see these fair value gaps. You don't want to be caught in the middle of them, really. We are actually just filling in these fair value gaps. I'm telling you, first presented like fair value gap, that shit gets fucking filled. Yeah, so we come up, we fill it in on. We also hit this like directly in this range. I'm sure this is golden pocket as well. Take it from this high to this low. Yeah. So that would have actually been a lot of confluence for today. And obviously the 50% line of this is lined up with the liquidity line as well. I don't know if that means anything. So yeah, once we came down past here, filled in through all these fair value gaps. I mean, it would have been risky, like, don't get me wrong. Um, but yeah, we flooded all the way to these lows. 3 minute retrace wise, I mean, like, take your pick really on which one you want, and especially since we like flooded down on NAS, so we took out this low. That's a prominent low. We took out this low. That's another prominent low. I mean, if you look at 5 minute draws on liquidity, we had these big fair value gaps that were getting tapped into. I'm sure these were getting tapped into far earlier than what they were on ES, which could have been heavy confluence. So when were these getting filled in? So that bottom one got filled in there, which would have been here. Yeah, so you had a lot of. To be fair though, could have got stopped out looking. You don't know. You don't. It's rough. It's rough because you are playing with fire. To be fair, like it's a risky day. But granted, if I had taken this trade, based off of this would have been a safe. Say we went for a safe entry, stops above the equilibrium, targeting. Did we sweep this hourly low? We did. I'm pretty sure this might even be like a daily low. Yeah, yeah. That's a prominent low, and I think it might be a news low as well. I'm actually not. I think that was FOMC low. So if you took that all the way down to here, you're looking at a 1 to 4, 1 to 4.7. But if you wanted to go even like safer stops and like base it off of a different 3 minute retrace, I'm sure you'd be able to find one within here, which brings it to like what's that, like a 1.7, a 1.11. Even if you go a bit safer, it's still 1.7. Bit safer, 5. Like, but you bring it up here, you are going safe. Um, Insane, and like bottom ticket as well. So yeah, that's my input of today. I was in work. I didn't trade because I feel like if I'd have traded at work, I can't trade Top Step at work really because I can't really look at the charts unless I'm on my phone, like on Trading View, and then I've got to switch to. I mean, I suppose I could double chart it on Top Step, but it gets a bit, I need like a fucking iPad, like really. I can't take my laptop to work because my boss is gonna be like, "What the fuck are you doing with your laptop?" Um, don't bring your laptop to work. And yeah, that would have been today. Really, it's a bit of a bummer. I don't know if I would have held, especially like if we rallied down here, maybe would have once we come back up, I might have closed early, or you never know. But I would have been gutted to have closed. I think I would have been gutted to have closed like up here. But do you know what? It's mad. Even getting like that, that's still a 1 to 2. Like taking partials at a 1 to 2, I probably would have taken partials at a 1 to 1, which would have been like here at the actual hourly draw. Yeah, so the 15-minute draw, the actual draw was a 1 to 1. Um, so I definitely would have 100% taken partials there. But by then, Naz is already like rallying down. Like by the time we sweep out these lows, Naz is already in this fair value gap, which is this one over here. So yeah, man, it's a it's a FOMO kind of day. Whew, it's a hindsight kind of day, bless me. And yeah, so nothing ventured, nothing gained. But yeah, we'll run with that. So I'll see you. I don't know if I'll be trading tomorrow's Friday. Probably not. I might just record it, see what happens. But yeah, that's that. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.